Hey guys, Tanty here, but you welcome to a brand new video, and today we are opening up this Pokemon little blister pack that comes with 2 packs and an EX. This is older. Let me pop it open. So let's go ahead and rip this open. I don't feel like waiting. I don't even feel like opening it up all the way. Sorry, EX is a black Huron EX. Look at all the no. And Crimson Invasion. Let's go ahead and get the bad pack out of here. Why did it have to be Steam Siege? Tell me if you like this better than some of my old layout. I mean, I know it's not much different, but I like it better. And tell me if y'all think it's better too. There, sorry it took so long. Boom. There's the world's worst code card. You're welcome. Card trick, X and Y. So 1, 2, 3. Captivating Poke Fluff. Steelix Spirit Link. Flaffy. Nidoran in a weird city. Nose Pass. Hoppip. Meowth. Klooncher. Hoopip. Hoppip. I like saying words random, and because of the Steam Siege, we got a boring, regular Klotzer. Now, because this is a blister pack, there's usually at least something good in it, but I doubt it. And this pack actually feels a little heavy, but I doubt we're going to get anything, because that's how dumb my luck is. My luck is very bad. Show you the lovely code card. Four. I probably messed it up, but Water Energy. Hunter. Zawilius. Gastrodon. Alolan Geodude. Remoraid, Aaron, Staryu, Jingamo, Aaron, and a regular Excalibur. That's gonna end off the video really short, but that's gonna end off the video. Goodbye.